Hello, viewers. You're watching MLS Legal TV. As usual, we are always with you with the new development happening in the country about the immigration point of view. Today, we have a very active solicitor, Sarish. He works for MLS Legal TV, and she is in the panel of the immigration. Very expert lady. We will welcome her from your side. Definitely, you will love her talk today. She's going to give us a very new development happening in the country, especially in the immigration offices, what Home Office has done. We will ask Sarish. Thank you very much for your giving your valuable time and giving and educating our clients and your clients too. This is really required for the country to know what is happening in the country about the immigration. Since the government has changed, so many things are taking place. What do you think about the new government and the law being changed in the country about the immigration point of view?
Yes. Thank you for having me today, Mr. Lodi, on this quick talk program.
Yeah.
And of course, we educate and we bring awareness to the general public on immigration changes in the United Kingdom. Now, as of the 9th of today, which is 9th of April 2025, the Home Office has officially offered support to care workers in the UK. So that's international care workers in the UK who are currently affected by revocation of their employer's sponsor license.
Okay. So those who are having the license about the care worker, this been revoked or what?
Yeah, so what normally happens is that if someone is coming to the UK to work as a carer in the care sector, they would often have what is called a certificate of sponsorship from an employer within the UK.
Right.
All right. So once they get the COS, it's also called a COS, they would then make the application for a skilled worker visa. Now, when that worker gets to the UK, they would encounter lots of difficulties. So, for example, they may get to the UK and there are no jobs for them. There are no work.
Right.
Their employer's sponsor license has been revoked for one reason or the other. It can be that the Home Office has investigated the business and there might have been fraudulent activities, or they are not abiding by the Home Office rules and compliance. And so the Home Office would cancel and revoke their sponsor license.
Right.
That has a knock-on effect on employees.
Individuals, every individuals.
Correct, unfortunately. So once your employer's sponsor license has been revoked, then that leaves your immigration status in jeopardy.
Right.
So you don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, to the particular person, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
In regards to your immigration status in the United Kingdom.
Right.
What usually happens is that over a period of time, the Home Office will then reach out to you and advise you that your sponsor's license has been revoked, and therefore your work visa will then be cancelled within a certain time period.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So this has caused lots of chaos over the years with care workers. Can you imagine leaving your country, Pakistan, Africa, the Caribbean, coming to the UK to work as a care worker, and then all of a sudden to be told that your visa is going to be cancelled?
Is it really painful?
Yes. And so these workers, they encounter lots of difficulties. Some become homeless. Some can't eat. They can't feed themselves. They rely on charities for help, and so they have been encountering lots of constraints since they're in the UK for that issue. Recently, in last month, in March, the African community had a protest in London before the Home Office because of COS scams.
Right.
So what's been taking place is that there are recruiters or agencies that are giving these COS, certificate of sponsorship, for workers to come to the UK as care workers. They would pay a large sum of money, £5,000, £20,000, just to get that COS.
To get that, yeah.
But then when they come to the UK,
and there's no job. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a whole different story and situation that they face.
So after this protest and this been taken away, and is the Malik legal, as you're working in this department, are we there to help them in this situation, or the government has given any relaxation or how to access the sport or something?
Yes, thank you for that question. That's very important. So what the Home Office has done now is, because of the crying of the people, the Home Office has heard their cries. and they've come to their rescue to offer support to the care workers who have been affected by revocation of their employer sponsor license.
Right.
Now, what the Home Office has said to these individuals is that you should register with the Home Office and regional partners. So now what they will be doing is that they will be looking for employment for you.
Right. So Home Office is going to help you in that part.
Correct. They will be partnering with regional partners, businesses, to find employment for these individuals who are affected.
Right.
So first, you need to send your contact details to the Home Office. So they will have your names in a pool. And now care worker recruiters now have to employ from the pool of individuals who have been affected first.
Right. Right.
Before they can bring any other
Yeah. From outside.
Thank you.
Yes.
So
The people, those who are already here, they should be fixed their
First
jobs.
preference.
So as you said, there they have to go to Home Office and ask for that. If someone comes to MLS solicitors and ask you as a salary, that you do this all job on our behalf. So are we ready to do that, or can we do, or an individual has to go to Home Office and ask for?
We are ready to support anyone who comes to us for help.
Right.
We would take your details, would take all the information that is necessary, and we would send that off to the Home Office on your behalf.
Right.
There are people who just don't understand the process, and so they will come to Malik Legal Solicitors for legal advice and for help, and we would help in that regard. We'll take all of your information, we'll do all of the legal work for you,
Right.
and get your information over to the Home Office.
And there is any particular time Home Office has given for these people, those who've been out of job, their worker license been revoked? And the people being told that you have no job, you must leave the country. Is there any particular time frame to be submitted their application back to the Home Office, or is open?
It's open.
Okay.
There are no specific time frame in which anyone should get information to the Home Office.
Right.
But we would advise that as soon as possible that they get your information over to the Home Office. Get within the pool of individuals so you can get employment
Right.
within the UK. And just to add to that, Mr. Lodi, is that also what the Home Office has said is that, let's say, for example, I love to give examples. You have a small business in the UK and your business is actively running, and you would like to then apply for a sponsor license to employ some of these individuals.
That's right.
The Home Office will expedite your application for a sponsor license for free.
Oh, right. That's another opportunities for the people, those who are the small businesses. They can use this type of facilities, and then Home Office will tell them that this type of people are available in the country and hire them, rather than bringing from outside.
Correct.
So let me tell you, gentlemen, my viewers, this is the very good news for you. If you are here as a care worker and the person who brought you here, his office is closed or he is no more in the business, his license being revoked, he's taken away, he's not giving you any salary, you are on the road, Home Office told you, you have no job. Now the Home Office has given you a facilities, you can get support, you can get back to the work, and there is a lot of facilities available. How to do that? If you are finding difficulties, don't worry, we are there to help you in this condition, and the Home Office will put you back on the job. As Sarish told, that the Home Office is giving the free licensing for the people, those who want to
expedited process, free expedited process for employers to get sponsor license. We at Malik Solicitors, we process sponsor license for any small businesses or large businesses.
Right.
So you can also contact us if you would like to apply for a sponsor license to employ some of these individuals from the pool of.
Right. In the same scenario, I would like to ask, in the past 1 year this is happening, did we do any cases of this people, those who are out of job as a care worker, and successful stories about anything you have done?
We have.
You have.
We have lots of success stories, but
Right.
each case is assessed on its own merit.
Right.
Because there might be individuals who are affected by the COS issue and they have other immigration applications that can be made.
Right.
So we have done that. Also, we have assisted individuals with sending their information to the Home Office in regards to this application here.
Right.
But as of today, the 9th of April, it's when the Home Office officially launched this application.
So this the sport of the care worker, those who are out of job or the license been revoked. Is any country is barred from this, or everybody's in this?
Everybody can, as long as you're
any country.
any
Those
country,
who are here from, yeah.
as long as you're in the United Kingdom and you came as a care worker and you have been affected, your immigration status has been affected because of your employer sponsor license being revoked, you can access this program. You can access this support from the Home Office.
So there's no fear, not to worry. As soon as you submit your application or you go to Home Office or ask us to help you out, you will be back on the track. And not to worry, we are there to help you. If you want to contact us, it's our telephone number and email is just written down there. You can access and you can ask for Sarish on the email info@maliklegal.co.uk, and definitely she will answer your question. Or if you want to talk in another language, we have Punjabi and Urdu speaking people also in this chamber. They can help you. Not to worry, we will be there again with you with the new things coming up. I'll ask Sarish if she wants to add anything on this.
Yes, just to add finally, Mr. Lodi, just to make it clear to the viewers and our audience, now this support is not just for individuals who are affected by their employer's sponsor license being revoked. Now there are care workers in the UK who are affected in other different ways, such as you've come to the UK, you're currently not working. You're not working the full hours that you're supposed to with your main employer. Your salary has been reduced than what was agreed initially. You have no job overall. You can apply for this program as well. You can apply for this support. Do not be afraid. It is free of cost. There are no costs for registering, and you will be contacted by the Home Office, so the Home Office can understand more about your situation and how they can provide you with support.
So you mean every individual can approach themselves if they are finding difficulties. Then